Using the same document as before, I'll show you some of the features of the design ribbon. So the things that will change when you've used styles. And you can see I've had styles, headings, and of course the text is the normal style. So looking at the themes, I'm just going to click here. And see the difference as I run over each of the options. You'll see different styles, different fonts, and that being used. Scroll down to see some more here. And once I select one, I then have the choice of the different document formatting styles across the top here. And again, have a look as I move across. You'll see how the styles change and change the document, so you get the preview. And same with the color sets. So as let's just choose one of these styles, and I'll go through the colors, and you can see the color set changing. And the same way as you'll see the font sets changing. These features only happen if you use styles.